Hello guys, welcome to Abipravi. In this Python course, we are going to see about the class and instant variables in Python programming language. So I have already told that we can able to print or we can able to construct more than one blocks by using a single blueprint, which is called as a class. So here I'm just going to one beautiful example, which is called as the dog. Okay, dog example. And okay, okay. Now let us begin the program. So here what I'm going to do, just in it I'm initializing a variable which is called self, comma, and here I'm assuming on one building which is called as the dog building. Okay, so one category which is called as the dog. So when there is a dog goes on the road, we say, "Hey, there is a dog which just goes on the road." So when we know that particular dog name, which means, hey, the name of the dog means, for example, Jimmy. Hey, Jimmy is going. So that kind of way we just use it. So that kind we just going to use in the class. So we're going to create an instance for a particular class. So here what I'm going to do is I am going to declare, okay, here I am going to declare a instance for a class name, so which is as dog. So now I'm going to declare a name for a dog. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is self dot name is equal to dog name, sorry, dog name. So I am assuming the value to the name of the dog. So after what I'm going to do is uh, I'm declaring on another one function which is called print, sorry, print of self dot name. So I'm just printing the name of the dog. After what I'm going to do is like I'm assuming that Jimmy is equal to dog. Okay, so I'm assuming uh, that Jimmy is equal to dog. So, okay. So here dog of, I'm passing Jimmy to this particular value, and so okay, there is an error. Okay, so now the program is successfully printed, but there is a error, isn't it? Okay, right. Okay, wait a second. Okay, super. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to declare another function which is called as a dog name. Okay, dog name. So I'm just going to declare a function which is called as dog name, and here what I'm going to do is I'm printing the value of the dog. Okay, so self dot dog name, or else which is simply called self dot name. And if I again run this program, and if I again run this program, you can able to see that it is a printing. So we just what we are going to do is, and okay, so we just assuming on variable which is called as Jimmy. So when we called Jimmy dot name, so here, so when we call Jimmy dot name, Jimmy dot dog name, so just print okay, there is my error occurring, x dog name text zero position argument. Okay, dog name was one was given self. So okay, again now you can able to see that the Jimmy is printing successfully. So again what I'm going to do is I'm assuming that y is equal to, and I am creating another dog which is called as which is called as a Remo. Okay, so I'm just calling my dog name as Remo, and here y dot dog name. So the dog name which is present in y was Remo, and the dog name which is present in the x line which is called as a Jimmy. So like that we can able to create more than one instance by using the class variables. So which that is the use of particular object of the track of dog. Okay, so in next video we're going to see how to make the dog to walk and how to make a dog to bark of the strangers. Okay, here